Doing our test ramp or test run of our wheelchair ramp. It fits in at the back. It's got a couple of clamps here that stop it from just sliding all over the place. Slide it out to the length you want. I'll take the maximum, thank you very much. Put that down into place. Turn on our wheel. Let the wheel do the work for us. Just take it out of the bike ramp. I'm going to put the bike ramp into the car. You'll see where that goes in a second because that comes in handy. It actually ends up locking the wheel into place for us while we're driving. Requires zero effort. I got a bad back. The idea of lifting this or the Hero, which is 9 kilos heavier, the idea of lifting that in and out of the back of the car just was not on. So the ramp is just perfect. Then you get a pair of them on eBay. Alright, drop the handle down. Turn the wheel off. You can see what I've done is I've just ridden straight into the bike ramp. So we'll push it straight in so the tyre locks in at the base there, or what was the base before. Grab the back of what used to be the top of the bike ramp and just tilt the whole thing up. Alright, that is now completely locked in place, and it doesn't matter how many corners you go around, it will not move. So this is brilliant. And then we get the next one in and we do the same, and we just line them all up. So that's what I'll be doing next, getting the next lot in. Alright, cheers.